okay?
No, my legs are sore. But I love my new crossbody bag. I really do. Here we go. Ta-da! Check out this beautifulness. The tassels. I don't even have tassels on any other bag that I have. It's Luca and Greg. It's pretty. Okay, hustle. Sorry. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Without running. Hastening. The mist. The wind.
105.
Hey, that's a little bit better. 105. For a wait.
Into my life, just like another season. Not for long, just
Watch out, they stick. Not spit, stick. That's intense. Oh, cool. Flight of passage, 4-hour wait. Holy cow. So, we decided Navi River. And our first time. Ah, hi. Hi, Alisha. I feel like it's been forever. Why do I not recognize it? I miss you so. Oh.
Who are you?
I love blue, so I was like, I know I like the blue aspect of Navi River journey. What?
What is that?
I do not know. But you liked it for the most part?
Yeah. Yeah, it was cute.
Waterfall! Waterfall!
Still at 4 hours.
Oh wow. Why is Flight of Passage 4 hours long?
The rain never bothered them anyway.
Nope. Wow. So, what is the thing called? I forget what it's called. But it's here in Pandora. It's the green and blue dessert.
Blueberry cream cheese mousse. It's a mousse, that's what it is.
Mousse.
Mousse.
Mousse. I thought it was like a corn dog.
Bread's really good.
That's good? These are actually really good chips. Now see, this time I got the cheeseburger thingy. And you can't forget this. It's so pretty. He's just chilling. He's eating. It's a bunny.
Can you see him on the camera?
I think you guys are holding hands.
You get too close, he's gonna run away.
I feel like it's like when everybody sees ducks at Disney, it's like, oh my gosh, I've never seen a duck before. Even though you really have. But you really don't see bunnies all that often at Disney or anywhere.
Oh, my leg.
I don't know why you're like this.
I don't know.
I am this big now. Hello, everybody.
I'm awkward.
Oh, I forgot about the piece of chocolate in my pocket.
Yeah, but some come down, so they don't know where to sit.
It's chocolate. I don't know how to get it off of me. Don't forget where you put pieces of chocolate. Wait, that one, I think that one had lint.
I would stop licking your fingers.
How do I clean it off? We were so close for Festival of the Lion King. So close. There was what, like 6 people in front of us?
Yeah.
To capacity. Would you focus cannon? Hello. This way.
Yeah, I'm looking for a restroom so you can wash your
Oh, that is true. I love him. I love you.
You want yours?
But we were so close. I thought we were gonna luck out and be like one of the last like 5 or something to get in. Well, I'm de-chocolatified, which is good. Apparently, this one has never been on the safari. I thought you've been on the safari.
I don't think so.
Apparently not. So we're gonna go on a safari ride. Have to make it worth it because I had to figure out the situation for our passage. I didn't move.
I didn't move.
He says every time he kisses me, I lean back.
I go in for a kiss.
I feel like I don't usually do that, but apparently I do.
These animals with the horns, those are the Ankole cattle. Now they're also known as Watusi cattle because the Watusi tribe in Africa were actually the people who domesticated them.
Oh.
Oh yeah, these are termite mounds.
Are they real termite mounds?
As real as we're in Africa.
That was cute. I was about to say, how in the world could they keep those ends?
Keep it under
I mean,
control.
but really though, they are harder than concrete. Even the ones in the wild, they're they are harder than concrete, so they're really hard to break down. Elephants are actually going to use them as scratching posts.
Wow.
White bearded wildebeest. Now they're also commonly known as GNU, G-N-U, because they do make a very grunty sound, and that's what it happens to sound like. Now they are heavily migratory animals. They're actually going to travel in groups of about 2 million, and they're going to migrate about 500 to 1,000 miles for a single migration. So these are Maasai giraffes, which is a subspecies of giraffe. We can tell this because look at that coat, especially this one over here on the left-hand side. It's very irregular. And there's really no pattern to it.
I've never tried to film something. We did single rider. I feel like it doesn't seem long because we're just walking, but 180-minute wait. It was 240 minutes earlier today. Oh, 5 and 6 and D3. We're going upstairs. I don't think I've ever gone upstairs. Oh my gosh. This is totally weird. I think this is weird.
Once you found your number, please make sure everybody can see the screen.
Oh. The breathing of the legs with the simulator. Oh, souvenir. Oh my. That's so cool. I'm mesmerized. Always mesmerized.
Everything's glowing.
Blue! Everything's glowing blue. I love blue. What? You okay?
But the exit was that way.
I don't know. I feel like we came out a different way because of the stairs. We're lost.
Exit route.
I was just going downstairs.
I know, I don't know why.
Because I'm not used to the stairs, so. No one knows where to go. Well, the exit signs are pointing this way.
Makes a lot more sense.
So what do you think, Mr. Silhouette?
Cool.
Hello, everyone. Yes, that is my shirt. What? What's happening? Oh, can you see it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can't see the words, but you can see the lines. And oh, they're kind of like blocked out in a way.
Are you making music over here in the dark? Well, we have made it almost back to the car. Oh, my leg. Oh, my leg.
My leg.
So,
My leg.
today was lovely. It was
leg.
really good. And we
My
got to
leg.
experience Navi
My
River journey
My leg.
together.
My leg. Oh, my leg. My
So
leg.
with that, I will
My leg.
see you all later. Bye, guys.